Crypto is booming and fortunes are being made. But are you unknowingly setting yourself up for failure? Stick around as we uncover the 5 costly mistakes people make when buying crypto and, most importantly, how to avoid them. Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm. From Bitcoin's meteoric rise to the promise of decentralized finance, crypto is reshaping the way we think about money. But here's the catch. While some people are making life-changing profits, others are falling victim to costly mistakes that could easily be avoided. Investing in crypto can be rewarding, but only if you approach it with caution and strategy. In this video, I'll walk you through the 5 most common mistakes people make when buying crypto and provide actionable tips to help you steer clear of them. By the end, you'll be equipped to make informed and confident decisions. Let's dive in. Mistake 1. FOMO. Fear of missing out. We've all been there. You see a coin skyrocketing and your gut screams, "Buy now before it's too late." But acting on FOMO is one of the fastest ways to lose money. When prices soar, they often correct just as quickly. Take the 2021 Dogecoin craze, for example. People who bought in at the peak were left holding bags as the price plummeted. FOMO clouds your judgment and leads to rash decisions. Instead, take a step back. Research the project and its fundamentals. Ask yourself, is this coin truly valuable, or is it just hype? Remember, no opportunity is worth rushing into blindly. A well-thought-out decision always beats an emotional one. Mistake 2. Investing without research. Would you invest in a business without knowing what it does? Crypto is no different. Yet, many people buy coins based on social media hype without understanding the technology or the project behind it. This is a recipe for disaster. For example, if a coin has no real-world use case, no experienced team, or a vague roadmap, that's a major red flag. Dig into the project's white paper. It's like a business plan for cryptocurrencies. Check the team's credentials. Are they experienced in blockchain technology? Do they have a solid track record? And don't forget to evaluate the coin's utility. Does it solve a real problem? Or is it just a flashy idea? Taking the time to do your homework now can save you from making expensive mistakes down the road. Mistake 3. Ignoring diversification. You've probably heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." This couldn't be more true for crypto investments. Placing all your money into a single coin or sector is risky. If that one project fails, your entire portfolio could be wiped out. Instead, spread your investments across different types of cryptocurrencies. For example, you might invest in Bitcoin for stability, Ethereum for smart contract innovation, and smaller altcoins for growth potential. You can even diversify across sectors, like gaming tokens, decentralized finance, DeFi, and utility coins. Diversification doesn't guarantee profits, but it significantly reduces risk. Think of it as a safety net for your portfolio. Mistake 4. Trusting unverified sources. The crypto world is full of noise. Scammers and misleading influencers are everywhere, pushing pump and dump schemes or false promises. Trusting these unverified sources can lead to devastating losses. Stick to reputable platforms and news outlets. Avoid investing based on advice from random social media accounts or unverified YouTubers promising the next big thing. Always cross-check information. Use tools like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap to validate a project's legitimacy. And remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Critical thinking is your best defense in the wild west of crypto. Mistake 5. Ignoring security measures. Your crypto investments are only as secure as the precautions you take. Hackers are always on the prowl, looking for weak passwords, unprotected wallets, and gullible victims of phishing scams. Ignoring security can cost you everything. First, use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication on all your accounts. Second, consider using a hardware wallet to store your crypto offline. It's one of the safest options. Lastly, never share your private keys or recovery phrases with anyone, no matter how trustworthy they seem. Think of your crypto wallet as your digital vault. Treat it with the same level of security you'd give to your life savings. Bonus tip: use trusted platforms like Binance. When it comes to buying, selling, or trading cryptocurrency, the platform you choose matters. Unreliable platforms can result in lost funds or poor trading experiences. That's why I personally recommend Binance. It's one of the most trusted and secure crypto exchanges globally, offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies and features to help you trade smarter. If you're new to Binance, I've included my referral link in the description below. By signing up through my link, you'll get exclusive perks and bonuses. It's a great way to start your crypto journey with confidence. Conclusion: crypto has the potential to transform your financial future, but success depends on avoiding costly mistakes. By steering clear of FOMO, doing your research, diversifying your investments, trusting only verified sources, and securing your assets, you'll be well on your way to becoming a smart crypto investor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to succeed in crypto. Remember, in this fast-paced world of digital assets, knowledge is your greatest weapon. Until next time, stay informed and invest wisely.